Imagine creating a viral video of Messi and Ronaldo with epic visuals, amazing animations, and all for free. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few simple AI tools, you can bring your dream video to life without spending a penny. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to generate mind-blowing video scenes, crisp animations, and high-quality images of your favorite stars. And the best part? You can do it all from your own computer or your smartphone, step by step. So let's move on to the first step, which is generating prompts to create the videos. And the best tool for that is ChatGPT. Search for ChatGPT in your browser, and when it opens, copy this prompt from my video description, paste it in the text box, and hit enter on your keyboard. Now ChatGPT will give you fully detailed text scenes of Messi and Ronaldo in different scenarios. You can modify the text prompts if you want something else. After the text prompts, let's go ahead to create the images for the videos. And we're going to be using Ideogram since it is free and also generates quality and nice images. Go to your browser and search for Ideogram. Once it opens, copy the text prompts that ChatGPT has generated. Come back to Ideogram, paste it in the text box, and select a 9:16 aspect ratio. This size is suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Then click on Generate. Wait for a while for the AI tool to create the images. Once the images are generated, check the ones that look more realistic like Messi and Ronaldo. Click the images, and then look for the three-dot icon, and finally click on Download. Now the next step is to animate your images into videos. Open a new tab and search for Vidu AI. On the homepage of the site, sign up using any of your accounts. Once you're logged in, click the Create Video button at the top of the page. In the Image tab, upload the images you created and add a short description of what the image is about, or what they are doing. Just click Create, and Vidu AI will start processing your video. To create multiple videos at a time, you can also use Pixverse AI. Search on the browser to get the site. At the top corner, you will see the Try Pixverse button. Click on it and sign up using your Google or Apple account. Once you get logged in, click on Create, upload the images you downloaded from Ideogram, and add a short description just as in the first site. The description helps to create a great animation style for the video. The last thing to do is to click on the Create button. By following these steps, you can also create a viral Messi and Ronaldo video, and you can also create multiple videos at a time using these two animation AI tools. Above all, it is free to use the tools. The last step is to bring all the videos together, and you can do that using Canva. Open Canva and search for YouTube Shorts in the search box, and click on a blank page. Now import all the videos from your device and drag them one by one into different slides. Add transitions between the slides. Add music to the video. After everything, click on the Share button and then click on Download. And that's it. You've just created a professional, eye-catching video featuring Messi and Ronaldo, all using free AI tools. Now it's time to post it on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and watch those views skyrocket. Just imagine, with the power of AI, you can keep creating high-quality videos like this, building an audience, and going viral, all without spending a cent. And don't stop here. Check out the next video YouTube is recommending to you right now. It's packed with more tips and tricks to help you create content that goes viral. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content.